I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm beat. So what did we do today, Kevin?
We rode bicycles.
Yeah.
So we checked out, AirBNB has experiences now. And one of them was to ride bicycles about 20 kilometers north of Ubud. And it was amazing. We had such a good time. YN and August were awesome. Like, we had such a good time.
Yeah.
We were with a couple from France, and that was pretty awesome. I kind of want to go explore over there soon. But anyway, about the thing. So you start out and you go have lunch, and you get to look over a rice field, a small one. Beautiful. They had vegan, vegetarian, and meat options.
Yep.
So that was good.
Yeah, our food was amazing.
Yeah, our food was really good. And then you go to a coffee place.
Yeah.
It's one of the Luwak spots. I guess the tour operators get kickbacks.
Yeah, so Luwak is the same as civet coffee, if you've heard about that. Basically, they take these poor animals.
Well, okay, the original was the animal eats the cherries, digest it, it theoretically...
And they collect them in the jungle. That doesn't have...
Well, they poop it out.
They poop it out, and then they collect
the
poop in the jungle.
Yeah.
But because of demand, if you can make money off of it, now
people are going to exploit it. So.
Yeah, so now they keep these poor wild animals in cages and feed them coffee cherries and collect their poop, and that's their life. So we don't support that.
Nope. So we just went there. We took some pictures. We had regular Balinese coffee. I wish we could have skipped it.
Yeah.
But
we're doing another tour, and we're going to skip that.
We were able to skip it, but this one we couldn't.
Yeah.
And there were no other bicycle ones that would allow us to skip it either. So it is what it is.
Yeah.
We made it known that we weren't excited about it to the people there.
Yeah.
Let's see. And then you go a little further north. We went to the water temple.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
That's our first time being able to go inside a temple.
Yep. So it's a public water temple.
Yeah.
Beautiful. In TME fashion, we were keeping it alive for you guys, and we missed the big purification that we could go to by one day.
Yeah.
So yesterday was the full moon, and basically on full moon and new moon, you're allowed to go and do the purification ceremony, even if you're
a tourist.
A tourist, yeah.
Yep.
So we missed it by a day. That was perfect. Then from there, you hop on the bikes. You do an insane hill. Holy crap.
Right out of the gate, you have to climb this ridiculous hill.
Yeah, and they tell you.
Yeah.
They say the first 10% of the trip is uphill.
Yeah.
But they say 10%, but they also didn't say it was like 20% grade. That was insanity. So that was awesome. We made it through. They asked us if we wanted to do the wood carving area, which I'm so glad we all did, because it's the guy, he was part of the largest statue in Southeast Asia, is what he was saying.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Famous woodcarvers.
Oh my God. It was incredible. Yeah. Wait till you guys, I'm sure you've already seen it, or you're going to see it.
I think we'll do it after this. This sounds like an intro as we were going along.
Yeah, so the wood carving's so sick.
Yeah.
Like, they're like, oh, they're for sale. I'm like, I can't put this shit on a plane.
This thing is bigger than my house.
Yeah, it's insane. They were huge.
Yeah.
And beautiful. So we spent some time there. Then we went down to one of the famous rice fields, not the largest famous one, but the second one, where you can do zip lines and shit.
Yeah, so the rice they grow there, because the soil, I guess, has been depleted, it's not very high quality rice. So the family makes more money by just letting tourists in. So, but it's beautiful and
it's gorgeous. So you can do all kinds of stuff. You can pull an Evel Knievel and like ride a bicycle across a wire over
Mm-hmm.
You know, the largest drop ever. Then from there, we went to
Another.
the most beautiful
Yeah.
rice field.
So this is a working rice field
That's owned by a bunch of different families.
Yeah.
And it was like on top of a mountain, so you could see around 360 degrees.
Yeah.
And what the hell, man?
we
Wait
had
till you
to-
see this.
Yeah, do you see how we had to ride our bikes down this little path?
Yeah, so like
the
the
rice
camera
field.
never shows it, but like the path was like maybe a meter wide.
Yeah.
And the ground is not,
Not smooth.
no.
So nobody ate shit though, so it was good.
Yeah. Congratulations to us.
Yep.
And then you end the tour in a little village. But August had so much information.
Yeah,
Like-
while we were waiting for our ride, he was telling us all about how families work, how burial versus
The cremation.
cremation and caste system. We learned so much.
So, like, it's a totally different thing out here
Yeah.
altogether.
Yeah.
So killer. Highly recommend it. Airbnb, our first Airbnb experience was awesome.
Yeah.
And we have another one tomorrow.
Yep.
So,
So you'll get to see that too.
yep.
Anyway,
All right, enjoy it.
Ah, c'est ça, il passe à courir.
But the coffee in
both wearing skirts.
Hey. So, dun, 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 dun. Gotta wear that sarong.
read a little bit about the rules. If you want of this, you can. This is the Mount Kawi. Yesterday was full moon, and then in 15 days later will be dark moon.
Okay.
Yeah, the Balinese full moon. That means new month. Here in Bali, we follow 6-month calendar, 1-month calendar. Ade, apa kabar? Sepeda tuh.
Okay.
And there are a couple of fish here, but not for feeding.
Okay.
And the rest of this water, they palm hair. Palm hair. Yeah, it's not coming from human hair, but palm hair. So everything is in Bali, especially for the statue, identical with scary face. When they bring the offerings, they will bring the offerings inside of the gate, behind that gate, over here also. truly job.
I do need to. Laura.
That hill is stupid.
I was way down there.
Nighttime.
Afternoon or at the night? At the night? So you will see the video. Thick wood, jackfruit tree. Till for time to harvesting immediately.
Okay.
During last 2 months underwater. Still young. I mean, the plants of rice have been planted maybe around 1 week ages.
Okay. Does the water constantly move, or once they fill it, they leave?
The water always moving.
Okay.
The water always moving.
All the way.
Getting ready to take this path.
About 5
just
meter
what?
distance between each other.
Hey, Laura. Aha.
Because every farmer in Bali, they have 200 by 200 meters square for farming.
Okay.
200. This one.
Uh-huh.
That's why the old doesn't have only 20 centimeters. So from the top to the last field is the water flow.
So there's 20 centimeters between.
That's rice.
Long process.
Oh, yeah. So what do you want?
So you've been to
Kevin got sugarcane juice, ginger, and I got a tamarind soda. No, he didn't. Chocolate coconut.
Tell us in the comments below who's eating which one. Did you guess right?
Wow, what an amazing day in Ubud, really. I can't recommend doing an excursion like that enough. Being on the ground and, you know, pedaling around just makes it all that more special. And especially through the rice fields, wasn't that amazing? Those views, it's just, I don't even think that the video could convey it. So, but stay tuned, because in the next video we're going to do another one of these, but this time we're going to have a driver that's going to take us around, and you won't want to miss that one. Truly spectacular. So, if you want to know when it comes out, hit that subscribe button and then hit the notification bell so that you'll get a little alert when it comes out. And if you want to see where we are more up to the minute, then follow us on social media. All of our profiles are down below. And we will see you next time.